Have you ever wondered why some folks seem to have the code to a healthy heart, while others struggle with cardiovascular issues? You're in the right place. Our hearts, these tireless engines, pump life into every corner of our bodies, but they can get clogged and worn out over time. But fear not, because right here, right now, I'm about to reveal the secret ingredients from your garden and kitchen that could be the key to your heart's health. Let's dive into these 5 heart-healthy veggies that are not only good for your arteries, but are like a warm, caring hug for your heart. First up, we have the mighty spinach. You know, the one Popeye loved so much. But it's not just a cartoon hero's food. It's a hero for your heart too. Spinach is packed with antioxidants like lutein and potassium, which aren't just hard to pronounce. They're even harder on those pesky arterial plaques. Now, imagine sautéing some fresh spinach leaves with a touch of garlic and olive oil, or blending them into a creamy morning smoothie. With every bite, you're not just savoring the taste, you're giving your heart some much-needed TLC. Next on our heart-healthy journey, we have the vibrant bell peppers. These colorful gems aren't just visually appealing, they're loaded with vitamin C, like a burst of sunshine for your heart. Vitamin C is like your heart's repairman, fixing those damaged blood vessels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Imagine the sizzle of bell peppers in a stir-fry, the crisp bite in a fresh salad, or the smoky sweetness when you grill them. These peppers aren't just a treat for your taste buds, they're a treat for your heart. Now, let's talk about those juicy, red tomatoes. They're not just a staple in your kitchen, they're heart protectors too. Tomatoes are rich in an antioxidant called lycopene, and trust me, it's your heart's best friend. Lycopene swoops in to reduce LDL cholesterol and prevent the hardening of your arteries. And who can resist the allure of a perfectly ripe tomato in a caprese salad, or the comforting warmth of a homemade tomato soup on a chilly evening? With each bite, you're not just indulging your palate, you're nurturing your heart. Our 4th heart-healthy contender is the humble carrot. These vibrant orange veggies are not just for Bugs Bunny, they're for your heart's benefit too. Carrots are brimming with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. And guess what? Vitamin A is like your heart's bodyguard, shielding your arteries from clogs. Whether you're crunching on a raw carrot stick for a quick snack, or savoring the comforting flavors of a warm carrot soup, you're not just enjoying food, you're celebrating your heart's well-being. For more informative videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Last but by no means least, we have broccoli, the unsung hero of heart-healthy vegetables. This green giant is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, antioxidants, and folate. These nutrients join forces to keep your arteries clean, reduce inflammation, and support your overall heart health. Think about the crispness of roasted broccoli, the tenderness of steamed florets, or the satisfying crunch in a fresh salad. With every bite, you're not just having a meal, you're investing in your heart's future. And there you have it, our top 5 vegetables that can give your heart some much-deserved love. Remember, a heart-healthy lifestyle starts with the choices you make in your kitchen. So why not make these veggies a cherished part of your diet?